Hi fellow viewers to everybody, good afternoon. My name is Steve. Steve Hoong is my complete and full name. To those who don't know me yet, I am the former depositor of Banco Filipino in Dumaguete branch. By the way, Dumaguete is located in the province of Negros Oriental under Central Visayas region before, which is now Region 18 under Negros Island region. Okay, so much for this is another video for major stockholders ng Bangko Filipino. To all major stockholders ng Bangko Filipino before the second closure, meron na naman akong second video para sa inyo na para kung just in case magre-reoperate for the third time na hindi na madadapa at hindi na magko-close. Ito, meron akong isang importanteng sasabihin sa inyo. Kung just in case pupunta kayo sa Securities and Exchange Commission, aside sa bangko na i-ooperate as a universal bank para sa requirement for BSP, may isa pa kayong i-register para in case may mangyari sa bank, hindi na siya madadapa. Kailangan mag-register kayo yung tinatawag na asset-backed BACKAD securities, asset-backed securities. Bigyan ko kayo ng feedback. Itong asset-backed securities is a security na may income payments, hence value are derived from and collateralized by a specified full of underlying assets. By the way, itong asset-backed securities, meron siyang kasamang collateralized debt obligation o CDO, mortgage-backed securities o MBS. Ito ay may kasamang structured finance, pooled investment, credit enhancement, asset-backed commercial paper, at securitization transaction. Itong sinasabi kong video na ito is napakahalaga kasi more on kuanto siya. Ito iba to sa diversified conglomerate. Meron akong na-mention kung para mahanapan natin ng solusyonan na ang bangko will last longer. Ito ay tinatawag na strategic investor. Ito iba to sa investment banker. Ibig sabihin kung may investment banker, hindi na basta-basta mababagsak. So, kailangan maghanap pa tayo ng affiliates na mas marami pa na mapapagkatiwalaan, trusted. Hindi yung pipitsugin. Okay? So, I hope that this video will catch up attention. At sari marami na depositors na nagsasuggest na kung pwede, i-reoperate na po ang bangko for the third time. By the way, yung meron pala akong sasabihin, a little bad news, meron na namang namatay na third director. I think you know him. Siya yung dating police officer yung sa INP, PC. Siya si Ramon E. Montaño. Namatay lang last July 2, 2024. Yung kalilibing lang sa Heritage Park, Taguig. This is a very sad for news. This is the third director who died. You should think we lost Sir Chodoro Arcenas Jr., Vice Chairman Perpecto Rivas Yasay Jr., dalawa na. Ngayon may tatlo pa, Ramon Montaño. Please, ayoko na may mamamatay pang ika-apat and so on and so forth. We need to do something na. Please. Habang buhay pa tayo, may oras pa tayo para ibangon muli ang Bangko Pilipino for the third time. Thank you so much for listening to all major stockholders. This is my second video. Good afternoon, and please share it to your fellow major stockholders ng Bangko Pilipino before the second closure. This is very important videos. you need to watch this video. Pwede nyo iulit-ulit ang video kung ano ang sinasabi ko dito. Asset-backed securities. Importante ito. Yung diversified conglomerate is another topic. Thank you so much.